Hello and welcome to Mina and Friends Crochet. Today's project will be the basket weave headband. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. The materials you'll need are Yarn Bee Soft Secret Cognac yarn, a 4.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and tapestry needle. Round 1, chain 84. Now we will count 84 chains to make sure we have the correct number of chains for your foundation row. Round 2, into the third chain, double crochet in all stitches across. You should have a total of 82 stitches and a turning chain of 2. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. Now continue to double crochet in all stitches across. I'll meet you at the very end of this row. At the end of round 2, you will continue to double crochet in all stitches. The last stitch should be a double crochet, and you should have a turning chain of 2. For the beginning of every row, your chain 2 will count as a stitch, and it will be your first post for the pattern. Round 3, 4 front post double crochets, then 4 back post double crochets. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. You should have 82 stitches in total and a turning chain of 2. To front post double crochet around the second post of the previous row, yarn over and insert your hook around the post. yarn over, pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Continue to front post double crochet 3 more times for a total of 4 stitches. To doing the back post double crochet in the pattern. Yarn over, insert your hook from back to front to back. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Now you should continue the pattern by making 3 more back post double crochets. At this point, you should have 4 back post double crochets. Repeat the pattern of 4 front post double crochets and 4 back post double crochets to the end of the row, and I will meet you there. At the end of row 3, you should have 3 posts left. You will do 3 back post double crochets around each of these posts, and the last stitch you will place a double crochet at the top of the stitch to end the row. Now you will do a turning chain of 2 to begin round 4. Round 4, 4 front post double crochets, 4 back post double crochets. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. You should have a total of 82 stitches and a turning chain of 2. This would be the same pattern as the previous row, and I'll meet you at the end of row 4. At the end of row 4, you will do 3 back post double crochets and 1 double crochet at the top of the stitch to end the row. Before beginning round 5, you will have a turning chain of 2. For round 5, the pattern will change. You will start with 4 back post double crochets, then 4 front post double crochets. Repeat the pattern to the end of the row. You should have a total of 82 stitches and a turning chain of 2. Continue the pattern of 4 back post double crochets, then 4 front post double crochets to the end of the row, and I will meet you there. At the end of row 5, you should have 3 posts left. Place 3 front post double crochets around each post. In the last stitch at the top, you will place a double crochet to end the row. Before beginning row 6, you will have a turning chain of 2. For row 6, this will be a repeat of the previous row. 4 back post double crochets, 4 front post double crochets. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. You'll have a total of 82 stitches and a turning chain of 2. Pattern of 4 back post double crochets, then 4 front post double crochets to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. At the end of row 6, you'll have 3 posts left. You'll place 3 front post double crochet around each post, and in the last stitch, you'll place a double crochet to end the row. Continue the pattern by repeating round 3 to round 6 a total 1 time, then round 3 to round 4 a total 1 time. You should have 12 rounds total. The last round, 12, will start with the front post double crochet pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 12. Now at the end of round 12, you will continue by making 2 back post double crochets around the next 2 posts, then a double crochet to end this round, then fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. the assembly, make a C shape with right sides together and wrong sides facing out. Insert one folded side into the other, overlapping the folded halves as shown. With your tapestry needle, you will stitch through all 4 pieces across to secure and weave in your ends. After weaving in your ends, you will now flip your headband right side out, and you have finished. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The finished headband is available for purchase on our Etsy shop at Mina and Friends. Please like and share and subscribe to continue to support this channel and be the first to receive notifications for our latest patterns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.